what's going on, guys? Patrick here from B Squared. Today I'm on my way to Calabogie Motorsports Park. We're gonna go to a HPDE day tomorrow, so I'm just gonna go tonight and set up my camp and stuff, so I don't have to like wake up super early, because this is a track that is pretty much 4 hours away from my house. I'm gonna be doing a instructor evaluation so that I can potentially become a official instructor for the Calabogie Motorsports Park instructor fleet. I'm going to be doing an instructor evaluation tomorrow, and this is a graduation from the Motorsport Safety Foundation Level 2. This is an additional piece of certification that Calabogie offers to coaches so that they can coach officially for their HPDE track days. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Last time I was here, I was doing both the MSF2, the Motorsport Safety Foundation Level 2 training, which I completed a few hours early and then ended up training some of the other coaches. And additionally, that weekend I was also coaching with Supercar Experience, so thank you to Team SGR and Anna for helping me get that set up, and it was a really cool experience showing people how to drive some pretty serious machinery. I'm going to be driving my personal BRZ, this car, tomorrow, and I'm really excited about it because I've never driven this car at Calabogie. Hello, morning.
Perfect, yeah, great.
Yep.
Yeah, you're on.
Do I need like a number or something?
Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah.
Okay.
Any preference for a number?
69.
One of those, eh?
Thanks, Corey.
Yeah, no problem.
Session, let's go. All right, so the rear is sliding quite a bit. I have a feeling it's just tires overheating, but I'm going to take out some of the damping from the rear, so make the rear a little bit softer. Hopefully I get a little bit more compliance, allows the car to slow down its weight transfer, so I have more time to think about, you know, how to keep the car in the field of grip. So yeah, we'll do that. Holy fuck, 34 hot, 31, 30, 33. I think there might be something on the track. That was a big slide. God damn. Okay, 2:33.98 for today. That's only the second session of the day. The car feels much better than it did in the first, with like, you know, all of the tire pressures being off and the dampers not set. So I like it how it is right now. Maybe I can use a little less. I could probably use a little less oversteer, but also the tires that are in the front are newer than the tires in the rear. So that's probably playing a pretty big factor. If it gets really bad, I'll probably just switch the fronts to the rears. But I don't think I'm at that point yet. I think the car is like pretty fine how it is. So we're just gonna keep going today. At some point, the Calabogie instructors are gonna get in the passenger seat, and then they're going to evaluate my driving, I guess. So we're gonna do a little bit of that later on. And hopefully, yeah, I can become a coach today. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all, so here's the car for today. We're on some used Neumi tires, front and rear, but those are older, have way more hours on them. I think these probably have 8 hours on them from last year. Those definitely have 16 hours on them, so they're much older, but the same 255 size tire. Stock pads in the rear, and then I've got the Neomotorsport P1 pads in the front. I like the brake modularity of these a lot. Instantaneous torque is not super heavy, but you can really get a good feel out of them. So yeah, I think I'd recommend them. But if you want more bite, you probably want something a little bit more aggressive than that. But they seem to be lasting pretty long for both street and track use, so I'm happy. And on the street, they feel really good. Like, you just feel way in control of like traffic around you. If you have to emergency brake or anything, you know exactly what the brake is doing. The best quality of those brakes are the feel. All right, everybody, time for another session here at Calabogie. This is session number 3. I've got probably 4 Lucky Dog cars in this session. I got like the Civic up front, an E30, and another Civic right behind me. All Lucky Dog cars, so this should be fun. See what I can do against a couple of race cars. GT2 class, I believe. I've had some pretty good battles with that car before. Shout out to my boy Lewis, who crashed this car at turn 2 at Mosport. Looks like the repair is good though. The car looks great. Fender's a little bent, but whatever. Give him the blue, I wanted to play. Alright, y'all, just cooling off my brakes here in the paddock. The car feels pretty good. I think the front still has a lot more grip than the rear. Maybe I'll make the front a little bit more stiff. I've already loosened the rear. So yeah, I just want the car to slide it a little bit less and just manage the difference in tire grip, because the rears are like definitely super worn, and toward the end of these sessions, like, I end up having to really like drop down the pace. Like, my best time today was a 2:33, but this last session I was doing like 2:36s because the tires have just fallen off completely and the road surface has gotten hot. Okay, car is going up on a jack and I have to go under it because my exhaust is falling off. My 4th brake light came out, so I don't have my ricer light anymore. Good thing it looks like it's just the bulb. How did it come off, dude? Is this exhaust that heavy? Alright, so exhaust hangers are back in, and the cable that was hanging is now taped, so that won't fall out. Expansive. It's like $2.16 for 91, but there's no other gas station around here that has like trustable quality gas, so this is what we got today. Got a little radical here. The 86 still has the most cornering speed like ever. Trying my best, bro. Let me go. Thank you. Alright, so that's it for today. I just finished up my day here at Calabogie. I will be getting an email with my driver score and results to see whether or not I'm becoming an instructor here at Calabogie. I think I did okay. Both the instructors that were in with me said they liked my driving. One of the instructors started just coaching me for like specific laps and like teaching me how to get more rotation out of the car, different techniques that are very specific to Calabogie. So I'm really excited to take that to this weekend's race with the Lucky Dog series. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is my track day here at Calabogie Motorsports Park, and I hope to see you guys here at the track as well. Catch you later.